Hey guys, it's me, Amberly, and today Aubrey is going to be doing a mini fridge restock. She just ordered this new mini fridge, so she's going to restock it. I'm so excited for my mini fridge. Let's bring it out of the box. Got since she's still there. Pull that away. Okay, now that it's finally out of the box, let's open it and fill it. I just went to the store and got some stuff. So, yeah. Okay. Obviously, we're gonna put ice cream because I love ice cream. Moshi's gonna go on top. And then my drinks inside of it. And I'll just throw those in there. Okay. Now let's move the fridge. Again, pretend like she's still there. Now I'm just gonna make me a snack. And I guess some chips. Well, bye guys.